All right, hello John. So now for this video lesson, we're gonna make sure you got that Owl City beat going, because that carries on pretty much the entire song. There's just a few different parts where it changes up, but other than that, we'll get that one, and then just so you can have it again, that Phil Wickham one you wanted to try last time, I'll just show you that one again, and then you'll have that one in your library of fills. Okay, so to start off, we can get some Around the Worlds. Also back. You can also just get some right hand, right foot. Just match up those. You need to go a little bit slower or a little bit faster. Left foot, left pedal, but if you don't have it, then just match it with that hi-hat pedal. You can also match both hands, both feet. You can go like hands to the feet, feet to the hands. And if you don't have that left pedal, then just use that hi-hat pedal. Both at the same time. And then you can also practice your doubles. If you remember right, right, left, left. That's just going right hand on the toms, left hand snare. You can also use the right hand and come to the snare. So that's low tom, snare, right hand goes to the snare, left hand snare. You can, instead of going all the way around, just practice that, just going from the low tom to the snare. So all the right hand's going to do is do this. So now after that, let's get this beat going. So if you remember, it's the two measures right here that's highlighted. Or actually, at the very beginning, it's just that hi-hat. Do 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 do. You do that 8 times, and then you go into this beat right here. That's both measures that are highlighted. So if you remember measure 1, let me just go to that one right here, highlight that one. So remember kick on 1, snare on 2 and 4. And then the hi-hat, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add the kick on 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you get that, add the snare on 2 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then once you get that going several times, then we'll add the next part. So it's pretty much the same as you can see from the first one. So this first measure and this measure right here, we have the hi-hat. So remember the X at the top above that first line, that X, that's a closed hi-hat. The kick is in between the first and second line. So exactly right here. There's the kick, and then the snare is right here, in between that third and fourth line. So you see these two are the same. as that first measure. So hi-hat and kick, hi-hat and snare. The difference now is you can see this hi-hat is paired with this kick right here. This hi-hat right here, it's just by itself, and it goes straight into the hi-hat and snare. This, it doesn't go straight into that hi-hat and snare because there's the kick in between. So that's the only difference between those measures, is that kick before the hi-hat closed in the snare. And what I'm playing right there is those two at the end that's highlighted. Kick and then to snare with the hi-hat, closed hi-hat. We can add that hi-hat by itself. Hi-hat, kick by itself, hi-hat with the snare. Once you get that one, hi-hat, kick, hi-hat with the snare. All you need to do for that measure is just add the first two, which is just kick with the hi-hat and then snare with the hi-hat. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, 3 and 4, or 3 kick 4, 3 kick 4. So right here, that second measure, kick with the hi-hat, snare with the hi-hat, hi-hat, kick, hi-hat with the snare. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. One, two, three, kick 4. And then a little bit faster with that one. One, two, three, kick 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. One, two, three, kick 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. So once you get that one down, all you need to do is just add the first measure and second measure together. So remember the first measure, 1, 2, 3, 4. So no kicks in between the notes right there. It's just kick with the hi-hat, snare with the hi-hat, hi-hat by itself, snare with the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after that, you go measure 2, which is that kick right before that last snare. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have the hi-hat, kick, and then hi-hat with the snare, and that's to end it. So if you can already get this one, that's the 1, 2. All you need is the last 3. Hi-hat, kick, and then hi-hat with the snare. Now all together, all of those, 3, 2, 1, slow. I'm repeating. Repeat. Boom. So that's the pattern repeated a couple times. Right there. So just a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. Okay, after you get that one down, now for the chorus, which is the majority of it, or pretty much all of it, I should say, is that second pattern just constantly repeated. So you see, I'll go to this measure right here. It's just that kick with the hi-hat, and this time it's a circle instead of an X. So that means it's more open. So you just release a little bit of pressure off of the pedal. And we have another hi-hat with a kick, hi-hat with the snare, hi-hat by itself, kick by itself, and then hi-hat with the snare. So, and this is just the same pattern as measure 2, just with a more open hi-hat. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. That's the pattern right there. And you just repeat that the entire chorus. And then at 103 into the song, we do that same pattern, but now with the closed hi-hat constantly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, kick 4. So that pattern just continues. And then at 112, remember the low tom. 1, 1, 2. And then we go to a open hi-hat with a kick. 1, 1, 2. Kick with the open hi-hat, and then we close it. And then that's pretty much the majority of the song right there. It's just a lot of that pattern. So as you can see right here, there's pattern 1 from the intro, pattern 2 from the intro with the kick in between, and then the chorus, it's the kick in between constantly. Kick in between. So right here, that's what I mean by kick in between. It's in between that hi-hat by itself and then the hi-hat with the snare at the end. And then there's another low tom, 1, 2, 3, kick with the open hi-hat. Let's see here. This one changes up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this pattern right here, we're going to count to 8. So the first 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your basic pattern right there. The only thing now is for these next 4, we shift that kick over. So for 5, 6, 7, 8, instead of the kick being on 5, we shift it over and it's on 6 right before that cross stick. So it'll be 5, 6, 7, 8. Instead of that 1, 2, 3, 4, that's where the kick would be. Usually, if we kept repeating that, but for this one, that kick just shifts over 1 beat to the 6th beat. So it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, I think this is like the only new thing right here. Pretty much, yeah. Because then it goes back into the chorus beat with that kick in between, constant kick in between. So all we do with here, 8 of these, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then you start like low with the volume, and then you raise it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's at 234 in the song right there. That's pretty much the main thing. So really the most important thing to focus on this one would be that pattern 2 beat of the kick in between that, the 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. 2, 3, kick 4. 1, 2, 3, kick 4. Kick with the hi-hat. Hi-hat with the snare, hi-hat by itself, kick, hi-hat with the snare. So there's that beat right there, and then the Phil Wickham one. If you remember, it's the constant low tom rim hits right there. The left hand goes crash, high tom, low tom twice, back to high tom. So, and it'll be like this. So slowly, the right hand will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the beginning of each of those, that's when you go crash, high, low, low, high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the only thing you need to add for that beat is the kicks. There's only 2 kicks on the first 2 1, 2, 3, 4s. So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 4, there's no kick at the bottom. Remember, in between that first and second line, right here and here, that's the kick, kick. But there's no kick here on these 4 and no kick there on those 4. So no kick with the 2 lows or with that last high tom. So there's a kick at the beginning. So here we go, 3, 2, 1. So kick, kick, no kick, no kick, 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 no kick, no kick, 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 no kick, no kick. All right, there we go. So that's that full Phil Wickham beat that you requested last time, and we kind of went through that one. And that's pretty much it. So just one more time with this full beat right here, and that'll be all good. So I'll play both of those parts. So pattern 1, snare on 2 and 4, kick on 1. That's just that right there. One more time. Kick, snare, snare. And that hi-hat's just constantly going. I'm just calling out kick and snare because it's hard to call out in that whole groove. Hi-hat kick, hi-hat snare, hi-hat, hi-hat snare. Kick, snare, hi-hat, snare. Kick, snare, hi-hat, snare. Kick, snare, hi-hat, snare. So that's that pattern right there. The next one, the kick in the middle, or pattern 2. Kick, snare, hi-hat, kick, snare. One, two, three, kick, snare. And then all together, both of those patterns right here. So remember, no kick in between, and then kick in between. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There we go with that one. So have fun getting that beat down. And then once you get that one all good, then that's pretty much the full song for this one. So, and then we can get to another Owl City song. So have fun practicing that one, and see you next week. See ya.